Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to activate a Cash App card. If you've just received your new Cash App card, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started right away. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head to your App Store, search for Cash App, and install it. Once it's ready, open the app and log in to your account using your email, phone number, or Cash App PIN. Now that you're logged in, look for the Cash Card option. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen or in the banking section. Tap on it to proceed. You'll see an option that says something like Activate Cash Card. Go ahead and select that. Next, the app will prompt you to enter some details from your physical card. This typically includes the CVV code on the back of your card and possibly the card number. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the information, hit the Activate or Confirm button. Cash App will process your request quickly. You might see a confirmation message or a notification that your card is now active. To be thorough, try making a small test transaction, like adding funds or paying a friend, to ensure everything's working smoothly. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And if problems persist, reach out to Cash App support through the app. They're usually pretty responsive. There you have it. Activating your Cash App card is simple and secure, giving you access to fast payments and more. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.